Right now at Tutor Perini, we're working on a correctional facility in New York. It's 1,080 beds and 980,000 square feet. So with these kind of projects, you usually have a guy going out into the field, looking at the beam and being like, okay, installed, not installed, installed. Very manual process, takes a lot of time, and that guy could be doing something way more productive. Site Insights is our big thing with QPIX to make sure all of the progress tracking is going on, and then we're using that to actually justify our billing to the owners. So we have to give a monthly update to our owner, right? So Site Insights shows the progress that we've had over the month, but we also have to provide a monthly report of site progress photos. So we're able to actually go in and say, okay, these few points right here from March 1st to March 30th, I want all of those photos. So we submit that as a report, and that goes in with our pay application. Hadn't had one issue with payment on this job yet. The best thing for us is actually being able to customize the report. We only want to show our owner the progress that we've made, but we know how much money it's actually costing us on this side for our subs. Our PM was very skeptical. He's like, are you sure I can turn this on and off? Things like that. We're like, yeah, you're fine. Don't worry, once it's up and running, you'll see it. We got the first capture out, upload it, sent to the report, perfect. So I do a lot of the VDC. Whenever we have our coordination meetings, we bring up QPIX. TwinLens is a really cool feature. We use TwinLens to go in and say, hey, look, this is where you're at, and this is where it should be. Once you actually see how much time you save, how it's easier to communicate with all these things, you're not going to want to go back to pen and paper.